Hey everyone, today I'll show you how to use Visa gift card on Clash Royale. First, open the Play Store from your device. After opening Play Store, then go to your profile by tap on your profile icon from the top right corner. Then select payment and subscriptions. Then select payment method. Then select add credit card or debit card. Then enter your Visa gift card details here. Then tap on save card. Now this is your preferred payment method on Play Store. Now go to Play, search for Clash Royale here and download it. Then install it and make purchases whatever you want. After purchasing, it will be processed through your Google Play. And that's how you can use Visa gift card on Clash Royale. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to give a like.